Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag 2crafters1design, as well as Saturday morning makes. Hashtag 2crafters1design is hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girlia's Cards, which is Gloria, and UCY I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. This week's theme for hashtag 2crafters1design is hot beverage. And so if you'd like to join in on our challenge, just follow the themes that we have. Okay, starting out, what I used to create these cute little hot cocoa cups. First off, I used this little gem case, which is from Hobby Lobby. My creative time, I used the apron stamp and dies. Actually, it's just the stamps that I use. So I got the hot cocoa, happy holidays, and hot cocoa and gingerbread from there. From her 3x3 card dies, I used this little circle there, as well as the outer card, and then this one right here. And then from her giant ginger accessories, I am using that cocoa cup, this little what is that little snowflake there, and then all of the fixins that go into the cocoa cup. And so those are what I use to create these cute little cards. So let's just take a closer look. Oh, look at that, just too cute. Look at all the glare, sorry about that you're getting from this these 3x3 cards, but I wanted to just show you how cute that is. And then look at those little gems, just perfect on there. I did not finish the inside of the card. Don't know for sure if I am. I might. And then this one, I didn't realize I positioned that wrong, so I said, hey, why not let the cup have a little slant in it? I think it's still cute though. Just super cute. And then there goes the last one here. So make sure you use all of the links down below to visit the ladies, and we will come over and visit you if you use our hashtags. All right, make sure you check out the picture at the end, and that is all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.